Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? This mom's a street nigga. I be gassing her, yeah, I'm a player, yeah, she won't fuck with me, yeah, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Peyton, and today I'm back with another video. Today's video, as y'all have read by the title, is going to be a get ready with me for this look. I got this hair from Wiggins Hair. If anyone is wondering, I'll have the information in the description box below. I chose to go with like a really simple gold glam eye look. It's not really matching my outfit fully, but you know, I tried. Before I get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's just get started. So it's time for me to get started with my face. So I'm just gonna go in with my primer from First Aid Beauty. I just realized I'm doing my eyeshadow, so I would kind of like usually put my primer on after I put on my eyeshadow, but I forgot I was doing my eyeshadow for a second. Anyway, I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and put that on my eyes. I'm also going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and also put that on there because it's a little closer to my complexion. And I'm just gonna take this beauty blender. It's not damp, so it might come out weird, but it's okay. And just blend that all in. And now I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier. And I'm just going to be taking a really big fluffy brush, my Morphe M504. For my Morphe 39A palette, I'm just going to be taking this orangey color as a transition. Now I'm going to go into the Nubian 2 palette from Juvia's and take this color Madagascar, and I'm using my Morphe E17 brush. And I'm just going to take this Morphe M330 brush, and I'm going to take the color Morocco, just a little bit though, because this is a really orange color. And then I'm just gonna go back in. I think I'm gonna take the color just a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of Kenya, just to deepen this up just a little bit though. And then I'm just gonna go back in with the fluffy brush to just kind of blend that all in. Alright, now I'm just going to be taking my Morphe M164 brush, just this flat brush. I'm just going to be taking some setting spray to pick up the next color better. I'm kind of thinking what look I'm going for today. So I think I'm going to mix Nairobi and Nefertiti, because I'm wearing like a brownish bathing suit, but I kind of want my eyes to pop with gold. So yeah, and I feel like Nairobi is pretty bright. So I'm just gonna take that and put on my eyelid. And I'm gonna take a little bit of the Nairobi to see what it looks like. Oh yeah, this is really nice. And I'm just gonna do that on the other side as well. And then I'm gonna go back in with the M330 brush and just go back in with this brown at the edges. Actually, this is not dark enough, so I'm gonna go in with Kenya. And just to blend that out, I don't even know what brush this is. M504. I've never used this brush ever. I'm just using it to just blend that out a little bit. Okay, so I'm basically done with my eyes. That's really all I want to do up until I'm finished. So today is like a day where I kind of don't want to put on foundation because I'm going to a pool party. So I'm just going to do my regular routine for my skin and not have foundation on just to see how it looks. But I already put on my primer, so yeah. And I'm also not going to use too much product. Using my Morphe M439 brush. And I need to take this off of my head now. I just only wanted this on for a little bit, so I'm gonna take it off. And since I'm not wearing foundation, I look really, really white, so I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline concealer that's a little bit more similar to my complexion and just go in those same areas. Just to make myself look less bright, because I was looking a little ghosty. Now I'm gonna go in with my black Opal True Color foundation stick. And I'm using my Morphe E4 brush to blend this out. And I'm gonna use my Morphe M524 brush to blend my nose and my forehead. Going in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm not gonna take too much setting powder. Now I'm going to go in using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder, and I'm using my Expert Face Brush from Real Techniques and just putting that in all the same places that I put setting powder. Oh yeah, because I don't let my setting powder bake. I just go, because I'm really oily, so it helps to just do that sometimes. But don't do that because sometimes if you do it, it will make you look really, really ghosty. Taking my MAC Fix Plus spray. So I feel like I'm looking a little cakey, so I'm gonna take my Bye Bye Pores pressed powder and the same Expert Face brush and just put it in spots that I'm looking a little cakey in. Also my eyebrows. I love this stuff. This is like great for like fixing your makeup in the middle of the day. Now I'm taking my Becca bronzer and my Morphe E58 brush and bronzing my face. now I'm taking my MAC highlighter with this brush that I got from the beauty supply store. It's just a highlighter brush though. It doesn't have the name on it though. I'm just going back in with this expert face brush and just blending everything and putting it all together. So going back into the Nubian 2 palette, I'm just going to put some basic colors at the bottom of my eye. So I'm just going to go in with Madagascar with this Morphe M124 brush. Now I'm going to go in with the M332 brush with Morocco and a little bit of Kenya. I'm just taking my NYX black eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to line the bottom of my lash line. And now I'm going to be taking my NYX matte eyeliner and just putting that in my eye to make it look better when I put on my lashes. My camera died in the middle of me doing my eyeliner, so I just went ahead and did my eyeliner and mascara off camera. Now I'm just going to take this Morphe M43 brush and I'm going to take Zuri and put that in on my brow bone. This is a really bright color, so I might have to tune it down some. Go back in with my eyebrows and I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix concealer, and I don't know where I got this brush, but it's just an angled brush, and I'm just gonna spruce up this part. And now I'm going to take my Urban Decay Slick Setting Setting Spray. Can I talk? And my Mario Badescu spray. Before I put my outfit on, I'm just going to show you guys what I'm wearing. So I'm going to be wearing this leopard bathing suit that I got from Zaful. Yes, 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 really cute. And then I'm going to be wearing this little cover-up fishnet thing that I got from Fashion Nova with some really cute slides that I got from Cute. And I'm also going to be putting my eyelashes on off camera, but I'm going to be using my Koko lashes in the style Amore. So I'm going to go put this stuff on off camera and then I'll be back. I'm going to take my lip pencil in dark brown and I'm taking my NYX Buttergloss in the color Gingersnap. Like running low on the lip gloss, so bear with me, y'all. That's it. So now I'm going to show you guys my outfit before I go. You know, cute but slutty. Anyway, so yeah, this is basically it. I'm probably going to take pictures if y'all want to see, but really cute. So that was it for the video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a big giant thumbs up and make sure you guys comment down below if you have any questions, if you like this look, if you hated it. No, don't comment if you hated it. I'll see you guys next time and thanks for watching. Bye.